How to change language on TikTok. So, the very first step is to open your TikTok app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you have done that, what you're going to do is to click on the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in Settings and Privacy, look for Content and Display section and look for Language. Simply click on Language and then click on App Language right here. Once you're in the App Language section, what you're going to do is to choose now your preferred language. Once you click on your preferred language, you may now click on Done found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then you may also change your preferred language right here and click on the checkbox found on the upper right, the rightmost part of that language. Click on Done, and then that's it. That's how you can change language on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.